Click on the link below to get price. The electric bike featuring a powerful motor with peak outputs of 1500W, 1000W, and 750W is an impressive mode of transport that combines performance, efficiency, and comfort. With a top speed of 20 miles per hour, this bike is well suited for both commuting and recreational riding. The multiple motor options allow riders to choose the power that best suits their needs, making it versatile for different terrains and riding styles. One of the standout features of this electric bike is the range it offers. With the ability to travel up to 80 miles on a single charge with the 1500W motor, 70 miles with the 1000W, and 55 miles with the 750W, this bike is perfect for long-distance rides without the constant worry of recharging. This range is quite impressive compared to other e-bikes on the market, making it ideal for those who enjoy weekend adventures or daily commutes. The 26-inch wheels provide excellent stability and a smooth ride, whether you're traversing city streets or tackling rough trails. The bike's frame is built to withstand various weather conditions, and its design enhances aerodynamics while ensuring comfort during longer rides. Additionally, the adjustable seat and ergonomic handlebars cater to riders of different heights, ensuring a personalized fit. The electric motor engages seamlessly with the pedaling, delivering an instant boost that makes climbing hills a breeze. The throttle control is responsive, allowing you to navigate through traffic or accelerate quickly when needed. Furthermore, the bike comes equipped with safety features like lights and reflective elements, enhancing visibility during evening rides. Overall, this electric bike is a fantastic investment for those looking for a reliable, efficient, and enjoyable way to travel. With its impressive range, powerful motor options, and thoughtful design, it delivers an exceptional riding experience that caters to both casual riders and enthusiasts alike. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring new trails, this e-bike is sure to meet and exceed your expectations.